Find the value of 1.999 and so on in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Let us solve this. The given number is 1.999 and so on. This is the decimal expansion, which can also be written as 1.9 since 9 is the recurring digit. So we put a bar over 9. Now why it gets so difficult for students to solve this question? It is because of the recurring nature. Had it been 1.9, the student can solve it easily by putting it as 19 by 10, shifting decimal one place on the right and thus getting 10 in the denominator. But here the scenario is different. 9 is repeating itself. So in order to solve this question, you have to apply a very simple trick. Let x be equal to 1.999 and so on. Find the number of recurring digits in this number. What is the number of recurring digits? The recurring digit in this case is 9. That means we have only one recurring digit. Based on this, we find the multiplier. How do we get this multiplier? Simple. Just write 1 and then as many zeros as there are number of recurring digits. Since the number of recurring digit is 1, we have 1 0. Had it been 2, it would have been 100. In case of 3, this as 1000 and so on. Now we have to multiply the given number with this multiplier. Let us name this equation as 1 and multiply the multiplier in this equation. So we have x is equal to 1.999 and so on. Multiply this entire equation with 10. That means 10 is to be multiplied on both the sides. We get 10x is equal to, now when we multiply 10 into 1.999 and so on, this point shifts one place towards the right, thus giving us 19.999 and so on. We have one extra 9 because it is continuously repeating, so we can write 9 as many times as we want. Our original equation was x is equal to 1.999 and so on. Now subtract these two, so we get 10x minus x as 9x, which is equal to 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, and this will continue here also. Point 9 minus 1 is 8 and we have 1. So we get 9x is equal to 18, which implies x is equal to 18 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 1. Now you see, this is in the form of p by q, where p is 2 and q is 1. So we have got it in the form of p by q, that is 2 by 1, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 since q is equal to 1. So 1.999 and so on is equal to 2 by 1, or simply can be written as 2, which is the final answer. So see how simple it was. Just a simple trick and the solution is straight into your lap. Using the same trick, you can solve as many questions as you want. All the similar patterns, all the similar questions, the same trick, and you will get the answer. So you see, study mere, not anymore.